The all-new 2019 Volkswagen Jetta. Fun to drive, fun to be in, and smart to own. Drive in style. Inspiring progressive design. And sporty elegance. The all-new Jetta, with one of the biggest interiors in class. The MQB platform gives longer wheelbase and wide proportions. Drive safely. The all-new Jetta offers a full suite of available driver assistance systems. Front assist and blind spot monitor help to prevent accidents. Best-in-class warranty. 72,000 miles or 6 years, bumper to bumper, fully transferable. Drive the innovation. Full LED headlights and taillights are standard. Full digital cockpit available. Personalized driver profiles. Turbocharged engine with best-in-class torque. Available 8-speed automatic or 6-speed manual. Drive connected. Beats audio system with premium speakers and 400 watts. New infotainment systems with available 8-inch screen. Always online with Volkswagen App Connect, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and MirrorLink. The all-new Jetta brings premium comfort and features to the compact class at a truly affordable price. Jetta 2019, raising the bar in the compact sedan class.
Yeah, beautiful car, no? Yeah, love it. Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of the entire Volkswagen family, I'm really proud to present to you the new Volkswagen Jetta. This car is based on Volkswagen's MQB architecture. Compared with the current car, the new Jetta grows outside in every direction. The car becomes a longer wheelbase, is longer, wider, and taller. The increased exterior proportions add up to more interior space, as one can see. Outside, the Jetta marks an evolution in Volkswagen's clean and timeless design line, with modern lines and a very much refined appearance. The combination of a large front grille and sharper lines expresses a bold character of the car. The addition of more chrome and standard LEDs, it gives a premium touch to the car. Have a look at the fast sloping roofline with its sportier coupe-like profile. When sitting inside, you will see that this does not compromise the usability of the rear seat. Inside, the Jetta is fully redesigned. It combines high-tech features with everyday usability and refined fit and finish, as you would expect from Volkswagen. High-quality, soft-touch materials give the vehicle an upscale, modern feel. In terms of infotainment, the Jetta also features Volkswagen's fully digital cockpit. The available Volkswagen CarNet system offers compatible smartphone integration with the 3 major platforms. And last but not least, the new Jetta is the first Volkswagen in the United States to offer 400-watt Beats audio system. Important, as the Jetta always has been the car for the young crowd in the United States. The Jetta technology upgrades include a comprehensive suite of driver assistance technology, like forward collision warning and autonomous emergency braking, blind spot, a monitor with radar traffic alert, adaptive cruise control, high beam control, and lane departure warning. With these new features, we experience a dramatic increase in safety. Thanks to the technology used in forward collision warning and autonomous emergency braking, for example, the number of accidents involving third parties has been almost halved wherever we introduced this technology. To go down on the street, the new Jetta will be powered by a 1.4-liter turbocharged and direct injection TSI engine, making 147 horsepower and 184 pound-feet of torque, the highest in the compact sedan class. And for sure, every Jetta will come with the People First warranty, America's best bumper-to-bumper new vehicle limited warranty. Even better, this great car with all its premium features will start at $18,545 US. Yeah. This is less than the outgoing car. Cost efficiency and productivity improvements driven by the region makes this offer possible. Ladies and gentlemen, the 2018 automotive year has just begun. We are putting the pedal to the metal. In the US market, with this new Volkswagen, with the best Jetta of all time, we're sure that we can further grow our market share. We are driving forward with our worldwide model offensive. We're currently working on 50 new Volkswagen cars. The preparations for launching the all-electric ID family are in full swing, and we are stepping up our efforts to make autonomous driving available in the volume segments as fast as possible. Digital technologies open the door to possibilities no one could imagine before. At Volkswagen, we want to harness these technologies to make progress in individual mobility and give as many people as possible access to those technologies, to this progress. That has been the goal and the mission of our brand from the very beginning, and it will carry on into the future. May I wish you all an enjoyable evening, good conversations, and a great motor show. Thank you very much.
Thank you for attending the Volkswagen Brand Night. We now invite you to take a closer look at the cars.